Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the phases of the moon. As you can see, we have a nice illustration of our sun and the earth. Please keep in mind for this lecture, these are not size appropriate. Okay, the earth is a lot smaller than the sun. Specifically, it's about that small. But for our demonstration purposes here, dealing with the phases of the moon, we're going to exaggerate a little bit, if you will. So, please note, okay, every phase of the moon has a name according to its position around the earth in relation to the sun. So our first one is the new moon. This is the moon position between the earth and the sun. No light is shining on the moon. So if you look at night and you see it up there, but there's no light reflecting off of it, it is because it is in this position directly between the earth and the sun. As we observe the moon going around counterclockwise the earth, counterclockwise, you will see different shades of light being reflected off. Those rays of light are from the sun. The next stage is a waxing crescent. Now, this is a lot of scenes and things you see a phase of the moon look like. A lot of people associate this with cartoons and things. So, this is where the light begins. So as the moon goes around the earth, the light moves from the right side of the moon across it till it is a full moon, and then the light starts to go away from right to left again. So as we go through this, I want you to keep in mind, everything goes from right to left on the moon. Our next phase is called the first quarter. As you can see, the right half of the moon reflects sunlight off of it. As we continue and the light goes almost to the full part or the full side, full left side of the moon, about 3/4 of the way, that is called a waxing gibbous. As you can see here, 3/4 of the moon now reflects light from the sun to the earth. As we get to all of the moon reflecting light back towards the earth, that is the full moon. Everybody's familiar with that. This is where the moon is on the opposite side of the sun. Keep in mind, y'all, the earth is very small compared to the sun. The moon is very small compared to the earth. For that reason, the sunlight can hit the moon and reflect back. That's why we see it over here as a full light. As it starts to go around this side, we're going to lose some light. Again, it starts from right to left. This is a waning gibbous. The term waning means light is being reduced, decreased, or taken away. If you remember up here, waxing crescent and waxing gibbous, the moon is gaining light. Halfway is the third quarter, and some people call it the last quarter moon phase. Again, the darkness is going from right to left, and half of the moon sends light or reflects light back down to the earth. Note these positions here and these positions here, same percentages of light, but position dictates where the light is. Again, we're increasing from the right to full moon and then decreasing from right to left. And then our last one is a waning crescent. So again, 3/4 of the light is gone at this position, and then it goes back to a new moon. Please keep in mind, you can observe this cycle basically every month, okay? New moon and far moon are directly across from each other in position. Your waxing and waning crescents are here. Your first quarter and third or last are here. Your waxing gibbous and your waning gibbous are here. So, hope you enjoyed this. We will see you next time.